Hi, today I'll be showing you how to make the best and most delicious sugar cookies. Here are the ingredients. First, we'll need 2 egg yolks, 1 whole egg, 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of white granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 teaspoons white vinegar, and 1.5 cups of butter and 3.5 cups of flour. So first we'll start by creaming the sugar and butter together. You'll need softened butter and it'll really help with this process. You're going to add your 3 tablespoons of cream cheese and cream them together for 5 minutes until you can't feel any more sugar granules. Scrape the sides of the bowl every 30 seconds. Add your whole egg, 2 egg yolks, and vanilla extract. Mix by hand first so that you don't get liquid sprayed everywhere when you mix with the mixer. Sift your 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour before you add it into the mixture. Sift your salt and baking powder too. Make sure you get all the baking powder because you don't want to mess up the texture of the cookies. Add it in slowly and a third at a time. Mix it by hand first so that you don't get a cloud of flour everywhere, and then mix it with a mixer. Add your white distilled vinegar and mix for another 3 minutes. Wrap the dough into a ball and make sure to form a ball. Wrap it up with clay wrap. And refrigerate for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you will open up your dough again. Cut it in half because you'll be using half of it. You want to work quickly because you want this dough to be as cold as possible. Wrap the other half back and put it back in the fridge. Roll out the first half on a floured surface. You want to roll it out to be a 1/4 of an inch thick. Use a cookie cutter or a cup to cut out circles or any shape. Remove the excess dough and transfer to a baking sheet. You want to refrigerate the excess dough because you want it to stay as cold as possible because it will melt. I had my mom help me with the transferring part because the cookies were getting really warm and hard to work with. You're going to refrigerate the cookies for 20 minutes, then preheat your oven for 350 degrees and bake them for 12 to 15 minutes. After they're done baking, take them out and let them cool for 10 minutes. There will be another part or another video where I'll be showing you how to make royal icing and decorate these cookies. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Yay!